Okay, so I've got the pinball machine propped up on a arcade stool or bar stool. I've got one leg off. What I'm going to do is change out all 4 legs using this bar stool method. I'm going to put new feet on the legs and new bolts on all the corners. Alright, so I'm out in a little area behind my shop where I usually paint trim, but I've got all the trim straightened out. I primed it last night. I'm about to sand it and then put the first coat of paint on it. Installing the custom trim around the bottom, just like I did on my Elvis. Then I'm going to put the new glass on and put the top trim on, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely finished. Okay, so here's the finished product. I've got it in between my Elvis and my virtual pin. But you can see the black trim, how the buttons turned out, the legs, this bottom trim that I showed earlier. So everything's finished. And then for right now, I have all my pins on switches. Everything's on the same circuit, but I don't have anything to turn everything on at once, and I probably wouldn't want to turn everything on at once in this setup. So I'll flip this and that'll turn the pin on. And you can see we've got all our LED lights, our redone trim, new bolts, new feet. Let's hit this button. That resets us, and we're ready to play a game. I'm just going to let the ball drain.